know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now, trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another cleaning video. So this is a deep clean and it's a deep clean of my kitchen and utility room. I would like you to come along and clean with me. If you need some cleaning motivation, then this video is full of it. I'm cleaning literally the appliances and everything else. So yeah, let's get on with it and let's do this.
Go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb. It's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb. It's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it. It's the only way we know how to do it. Kill the lights.
So I actually did it, the sweetie jar that I picked up from Home Bargains. If you haven't seen that haul, I will link it here now or below. And yeah, I did put my washing powder in it and I'm so glad I did. And I also picked up those scoops, and I'll leave the link down in the description to where I got those from, but they fit perfectly. It's easy to get the powder out and I'm just so happy that I've actually done it now, because I wasn't sure whether I was going to put it with something else, but I am going to get a bigger one and I also need to get some bottles for my fabric softener. But yeah, I'm pleased with that.
down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. What can I say? I need more than desire, more than just a pretty face.
Okay, so basically today I decided I was going to clean my fridge out. I've been meaning to do it for a little while, and it was a really hot day, so I was doing it sort of later on in the day so that it was cooled down for me to do all of the cleaning. But yeah, basically I was also making dinner and I had to do this quite quickly. However, I would give you this tip in case you don't already know. If you do have a dishwasher, you can put the bits in your dishwasher. It's something I've only just learnt recently myself because I didn't have a dishwasher before. But I just thought in case anybody doesn't know that, they can take the top drawer out so if things fit in and stuff like that. And also with this Osmo cleaning stuff that I've used before for my microwave, you obviously use it for the fridge as well, and you just spray it on and leave it for 3 minutes and then you wipe it with a damp cloth, and it is really, really good, and it's antibacterial, so it's all good.
Never backing down, baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. What can I do? Gotta keep every heart safe, so we make it out alive. I don't wanna waste no time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Try to play nice so I won't give you heartache. Trust me, baby, when I say, girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars.
I'm going to use tumble dryer sheets to basically get the dust off of my mirror tray first. I do this quite a lot. I do it on my blinds as well, which you'll see later on, and it sticks the dust to the tumble dryer sheet, and it just gets it off easier before you actually clean it, which is really good.
You're the reason why I thought I caught your eyes. The love is blind. I thought I saw you smile. thought I caught your eyes, but love is blind. I thought I saw you smile.
So I'm now going to clean my toaster because that's something that gets neglected. I don't know if it's like that in your house, but it gets neglected in our house. So I've got a really good top tip for you. So if you use a cotton bud to go around the rim, like the edges, sort of, you know, the bits that are hard to get into, it just literally, the stuff wipes out and you'll be amazed how much dirt comes out of there. That's embarrassing to say, but you know what I mean, like, it's just really, really good. And I tried to show you in this clip, but it didn't focus, but it is really, really good and it brings up so much dirt. So, and it's just so much easier. But yeah, so I'm happy I've done my toaster now.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot at love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely.
So every once in a while when I am doing a deep clean of anywhere in my house, I do like to clean my floors by hand. Like on my hands and knees basically, just because you do pick up the real dirt, like the mop and stuff just sort of swishes it around for a long time. It's good for a quick job, but it's nice that every now and again you do get on the floor and you do scrub it yourself. So yeah, that's what I like to do when I'm deep cleaning. And that was all that I had time for today. I do hope that you did enjoy this video and you got some cleaning motivation. Please make sure that you head over to my Instagram, which is mummyvlogger@home, and also make sure you subscribe and like this video if you did like it. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.